Hey, what's up? You know, we have tested many wireless earbuds on our channel, Tech Brothers, so it is pretty hard to surprise me with anything. However, the new earbuds from PAMU look very interesting. First, they have a compact charging case. By the way, it is made of metal. The earbuds themselves also look very nice. There's a bass boosted and gaming modes available. The battery life is up to 21 hours. If you want to know the price, it is only $49 on the official website. I will leave the link in description under the video. So let's do unboxing and full review of PAMU S28 wireless earbuds. By the way, I know that many of you are not subscribed to our channel Tech Brothers. You can do this right now. The new wireless earbuds come in a simple white box. There's only model name on the front, and the main features in different languages on the back of the box. When you open the box, you will find a charging case and earbuds. There's also a pouch, USB Type-C charging cable, silicone ear tips, and a user manual in the package. To be honest, I don't use a pouch to store or carry the earbuds, but it is really good quality. I'm glad that it is included. As already said, the charging case of PAMU S28 earbuds is very compact. It is only 60 by 30 by 24 mm. The weight with earbuds is 44 grams. The case is made of metal, and the manufacturer says that it is more stable and durable than the plastic one. There is only USB Type-C charging port on the back. LED indicator is located inside the case. The earbuds also look like a metal, but actually they are made of plastic. They have PAMU logo, LED indicator, microphone hole, and touch button on the outside. On the inside we can see a charging contacts and silicone ear tips. The ear tips are available in different sizes, so you can choose the best one for you. You know, the manufacturer says that this is sports and business earbuds, but I don't find any information about water protection of them. Most likely they are not protected from water, so it is better to avoid it. In general, I don't think that PAMU S28 earbuds are good for sports, because they don't fit very securely in the ears. I have had them fall out a couple of times when I twisted my head. However, in everyday use, when you are not running or doing physical activity, they do not fall out, and they are really comfortable to wear. The earbuds also look very stylish in the ears, do you agree? You know, I like PAMU earbuds because they have a full set of control functions. First, you can play pause and music with single tap on the earbuds. A double touch on the left earbud plays the previous song, while a double tap on the right earbud switches to the next song. You can also volume up with press and hold on the right earbud, as well as volume down with long press on the left earbud. Do you remember I said that PAMU S28 have a bass boosted and a gaming mode? You can enable game mode by triple press on the right earbud and bass boost mode with 5 taps on the left earbud. Of course, you can answer or reject phone calls using touch buttons on the wireless earbuds. PAMU S28 earbuds have gaming mode, so we need to check latency in games. I have already activated a gaming mode on the earbuds, and now let's play a little in PUBG Mobile. As you can see, the latency is really low, and it is comfortable to play the game. Now I'm going to test the microphone. Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of PAMU S28 earbuds. They feature environmental noise cancellation technology, so there shouldn't any noise. Do you think the quality of microphone is good? Write in the comments below. By the way, you can also subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers if you haven't already done so. Finally, let's talk about sound quality of the new PAMU earbuds. You know, they have only Bluetooth 5.0 technology and no aptX support. However, the feature of these earbuds is bass boosted mode. As I already said, you need to tap the left earbud 5 times to enable it. The bass is really more powerful and deep in this mode. In general, I like the sound more in bass boosted mode. Probably this is because I like powerful bass. In general, all genres of music sound very good, including pop, rap, rock, instrumental. Talking about battery, PAMU S28 have 7 hours of music playtime on a single charge. It is a very good battery life. However, because of compact charging case, you can use it only 2 times to recharge the earbuds. The total battery life is about 21 hours. You know, PAMU S28 are really good wireless earbuds for $49. First, I like a metal charging case and design of earbuds. They look very stylish. The next feature is full set of control functions. You can switch tracks, change the volume, and even choose the game or bass boosted mode using touch buttons on the earbuds. The sound quality is also good, especially in bass boosted mode. Perhaps the only drawback of PAMU S28 earbuds is battery life. The playtime on a single charge is good, but the charging case is very compact, so you can use it only twice to charge the earbuds. What do you think about the new PAMU wireless earbuds? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching, see you soon!